1 or 2 videos on specified subjects as mentioned in description, website and Facebook. In the last of every video a question is given for engineering students. A student WHO will send it first in a proper way. The way is given in description. The name of that student will be called in next video, also his picture will be displayed on Facebook and website. Are you ready students? Let us know by commenting.